welcome back to the channel. Today, we're visiting one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world, Niagara Falls. Join me as we take a relaxing walk along the famous viewpoints and experience the incredible beauty and power of Horseshoe Falls up close. As you can see, this place is already full of visitors from all over the world. The sound of the rushing water gets louder with every step. Excitement before we even reach the main viewing area. The atmosphere here is truly unforgettable. And here it is, the magnificent Horseshoe Falls. The sheer amount of water flowing over the edge every second is simply incredible. The mist rising into the air creates a magical feeling, especially on a beautiful sunny day like today. From this viewpoint, you can really appreciate the size of the falls, the turquoise water, the powerful current, and the constant roar remind us of the incredible force of nature. It's easy to see why Niagara Falls attracts millions of visitors every year. Down below, you can spot the famous Niagara City Cruises boat making its way toward the base of the falls. Everyone on board gets an unforgettable close-up experience, surrounded by mist and the thunderous sound of cascading water. After enjoying the main lookout, we're continuing our walk along the Niagara Parkway. The walking paths are clean, beautifully landscaped, and offer spectacular views almost everywhere you look. This area is perfect for taking photos and simply enjoying the scenery. Whether it's your first visit or you've been here many times before, Niagara Falls always offers something new to admire. Looking across the river, you can also see parts of the American side of Niagara Falls. It's amazing how one natural wonder is shared between two countries, making it a truly international destination. As we continue walking, every viewpoint provides a slightly different perspective. Some locations let you feel the refreshing mist, while others offer panoramic views of the river flowing toward the falls. The weather today couldn't be better. Blue skies, gentle clouds, and bright sunshine make the emerald-colored water stand out even more. It's the perfect day for sightseeing and exploring everything Niagara Falls has to offer. One of the things I enjoy most about visiting Niagara Falls is simply slowing down and taking in the scenery. Sometimes it's nice to put the camera down for a moment and just appreciate the beauty and power of nature. As we continue along the Niagara Parkway, you can see visitors from all over the world enjoying this incredible destination. Every few steps offers another spectacular angle of the falls. To our right is the breathtaking Horseshoe Falls, where millions of liters of water plunge over the edge every minute. The sound alone reminds you just how powerful nature can be. The mist rising from the base of the falls creates a refreshing atmosphere, especially on a warm summer day. If you're visiting Niagara Falls, this walkway is definitely one of the best places to experience the scenery. Take a moment to appreciate the beautiful landscape. From the lush greenery to the crystal clear water and the constant roar of the falls, every part of this view is unforgettable. I hope you enjoyed joining me on this relaxing walk around Niagara Falls. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video